I guess. Something like that.
Girl, you're the baddest. No need to practice, cause you're so different, you always win.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you my curly hair routine, which is basically the steps that I follow every day to style my hair and the products that I use whilst doing it. So I've just come out of the shower and I've already put a product in my hair. So the first product I've already used is Aqueous cream, which is a moisturiser that can be used on hair and skin. It's mostly used for skin, but I do know people that do use it on the hair, and that it is safe for the hair, and there's like it can't do anything to harm it. I've been using Aqueous cream for a very long time now and it hasn't done any damage to my hair. It's actually one of the best products the best moisturising products that I've used for my hair. Yeah, it really moisturises the hair and really takes away the dryness of my hair. My hair is really dry and it gets dry easily, so I need to put a lot of moisture in it. And I feel like Aqueous cream really helps my hair maintain the moisture. Now I'm going to detangle it with a wide tooth comb. I'll start with the right side.
I think she love me, cause I got the check on me. Won't spend it, then flex on me.
I always detangle my hair. It really gets the knots out of your hair and it makes it easier to style it. Okay, one side detangled. Next side.
Put a curse of hex on me. Scratch out my name, put the X on me.
Okay, now that both sides are detangled, I'm going to go ahead and now actually brush my hair with a proper hairbrush. Now this is the Detangling brush, which is really good for curly hair. I've had this for quite a while now and I think it's one of the best brushes I've ever used. So what this brush does is it really distributes the product in your hair and it brings out the curls, which I will show you. Always brush your hair starting from the bottom and then make your way up to the roots. Okay. So as you can see, the curls are already forming. All I've done is brushed it with this. This is why I love this brush. Okay, now let's compare. So this is the wide tooth comb detangled side. And this is the Detangling brushed. This is the Detangling brushed side. So wide tooth comb side and Detangling brush side. As you can see, I obviously like this one better because it brings out the curls. Okay, both sides are brushed now. And now it's time for the second product, which is my favourite product in the world. My favourite brand, my favourite hair brand. Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. So the thing I love about Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner is that it's really good for curly hair. And it's one of the only products I've actually worked properly on my hair and I've actually brought out the curls and made them defined. And I love a bit of that. To start, I'm going to take about this much, but probably a little bit more. And just run it through my hair. Just everywhere. Just going to put some at the back. I always like to put more because my hair is very thick and I do need a lot of product. Alright, alright. Spread it out, even it as much as you can. Alright. Cold pressed organic coconut oil is the next product I'm going to use. I section it evenly so it can reach the roots as well as the rest of the hair. And lift it up, which you can't even see. Like that. And kind of just, yeah. Now my hair's done. And as you can see, the curls have come out more than before. I don't usually use the diffuser when I dry my hair because it's heat and it's quite damaging to your hair, but let's use it. So I'm going to diffuse the right side first. I always start with the right side. And you'll see how the diffuser will create the defined curls, and it will obviously make it dry and not as wet as it is. It's not really wet, it's just quite damp, as you can see, but the diffuser will do the job. So this is the kind of diffuse size. I haven't really finished, but this is the kind of diffuse size inside. But with my hair, I don't ever diffuse it because my hair, when it dries itself, it becomes like this anyway. But I'm just using the diffuser to show how my hair would be after it air dries. So right now I ain't got time to let it dry. It takes like an hour and a half. Sometimes like, no, it just takes long. It just takes really long, and like, I ain't got time for that. That's all the diffusing I'm going to do for now. It has dried my hair a lot and it has made it more curly. It has brought up my curls, which is what I wanted. So tomorrow I'm not going to go and put the same products because I've already put it in my hair. Really all I need to do is damp it with a spray bottle and then comb it, and it will be the exact same. Okay, that's it from me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you use these products and if they've actually worked on you, the curly head girls out there. I hope that I've recommended these products to you and that you go and try them. I hope that whoever tries this, if you try it, I hope that it works, because it always works on me. Let's just fix this part because it's looking a bit mad. Oh, if you have any recommendations for any videos that I could do, then leave it in the comments below. Be more specific of what I could post, then that would be better, instead of just posting what I want. I really like this lighting, it's nice. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching my video and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.